What is that? Hey, what is that? I think we got a woodpecker tapping at our door. Literally. Let's see if I can see him. There he is. Look at. Oh, God. Focus, please. We have a woodpecker tapping at our door. What's going on here? I know. It's so weird. I know. It's a crazy thing. These blinds up without scaring him off. There you are. That's funny. Well, that's the first for sure. I thought somebody was knocking at the side door over and over again. That's hilarious, man. A woodpecker. We had a woodpecker come visit us, eh? I know, isn't that crazy? I know. That's crazy, eh, girl? Funny things, man, funny things. Well, that was absolutely crazy. I was sleeping off night shift, and I could hear. I'm thinking, who the heck is trying to knock on my door? And they weren't knocking too loud, but a darn good tap. I could hear it across the house. I thought, maybe it's a child or something trying to get my attention. I don't know. Oh, it was crazy. But yeah, a little woodpecker came and tapped on my my door frame out there. So, weird things happen, man. Okay, back to bed. Oh yeah, I just went laid back down for a while. Guess who started tapping? He's at my front door now. Little stinker. Where are you? Oh. I can hear him tapping. He's at the front window, maybe? No, he's over here. Still hear him tapping. Okay. Sorry about the messy house. It's the way we roll. Get this open. Maybe he's on the window. There he is. Oh, you little stinker. Do I have a lot of bugs in my house? Hey. Hey, do I have a lot of bugs in my house? I think a buffet out there. Happy little woodpecker. I guess you're out of the rain though. You're under the eave there. Oh, he's just having a heyday. Hey girl, what do you think? Is that crazy? Is that crazy? Oh well, that's my adventure for today. Or maybe someone from beyond is trying to contact me. Hey, what do you think, girl? Crazy like that? Hey? Something crazy? Hey, I know, it's craziness. Yeah, that's some weird stuff, man. Oh well. What do you got there? Oh, you got your toy. Oh, here we go. Okay. Dad's up, you're all excited. Oh, there's the knocking again. He's back at the side door, little stinker. Like I'm telling you, it's loud enough. There he is. Hey, you're gonna wreck my trim. Oh man. Guess I should take the pressure washer to my house. It's hilarious. He's just having a field day. Well, like I said, I guess it's time to put some earplugs in now. I gotta try to get back to bed. Crazy stuff.